Morning, tubers. It's 15 degrees out at the airport, and the RAV4 failed the cold start test. Yeah, it's the battery. Tundra cranked right over, and I'm about to find out if the Ram's battery is any good. Now, this thing is still new to me. It's got, I don't know, almost 57,000 miles on it. We'll see in a second here. 56,984. Let's find out if this baby has the power in the battery to crank up on a super cold day. Oh, cranked over like a champ.
But the truth is,
And it's telling me possible ice on the road. I've never experienced that. For some reason, the temperature's flashing 37, but who cares? It started right up. Oh, that's great. 15 degrees, and I had a nice cold start. Okay, 1 out of 3 not starting is not bad. GPS is working. I'm getting more framing up, and I've got some wiring going in for lights. Yeah, it's all happening one step at a time. Hey tubers, I couldn't help myself. I ran one circuit. And what I've got here is my 2 lights in the bedroom ceiling and a wire going down and over, which will go to the cabinet that's across here. And I'll have a bedroom switch and a dimmer for those lights. Now, power for those lights comes across the ceiling here, and I went down through this pillar, and it's all wire protected, and across inside the pillar, and it's coming out above the wheel well where I will have some kind of a circuit board. But really what I've got to get back to is putting in all my blocking. I've got the pieces cut. Some of them have to be drilled. Some of them are waiting for longer screws, but let's get back to what my job is.